clamper. Clamper is an electronic circuit that is used to add some DC level to an AC signal. क्लैम्पर सर्किट एक तरीके के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट होते हैं जिनका काम होता है कि किसी भी एसी सिग्नल में कुछ डीसी लेवल को ऐड करना. यूजिंग द क्लैम्पर सर्किट, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव peaks of any waveform can be shifted to a desired level. For example, this is the sinusoidal AC waveform. Input having positive peak Vm and negative peak minus Vm. Now, if we use the clamper circuit, then output will like be either the waveform will be shifted towards the positive side or towards the negative side. Means now the peak value is 2m rather than Vm. So positive peak is shifted. Here the negative peak is minus 2Vm rather than minus Vm. So here the waveform is shifted towards the downward side. Clamper circuit are the circuit that are used to shift any waveform to a particular level. These are made of diode, कैपेसिटर एंड रजिस्टर. क्लैम्पर सर्किट जो होते हैं वो डायोड के ही एप्लीकेशन हैं और ये बने होते हैं कैपेसिटर, रजिस्टर एंड डायोड से. टाइप्स ऑफ क्लैम्पर. देयर आर मेनली 3 टाइप्स ऑफ क्लैम्पर. पॉजिटिव क्लैम्पर, नेम से ही इंडिकेट हो रहा है, इट विल शिफ्ट द वेवफॉर्म इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हियर वी consist of positive and negative cycle, positive, negative, and maximum value is Vm. Now, using the clamper circuit, positive clamper, the output will be shifted towards the positive direction in the upward direction. Similarly, in the negative clamper, waveform will be shifted towards the downward direction. For example, plus Vm, and this is the minus Vm. Now the waveform will be shifted towards the downward direction. That is the main function of the negative clamper. Positive clamper upward direction में shift करेगा, negative clamper downward direction में shift करेगा. If we add some battery to the circuit, then these clamper are known as the biased clamper. बाइस्ड क्लैम्पर में पॉजिटिव वोल्टेज, पॉजिटिव बैटरी भी ऐड कर सकते हैं और नेगेटिव बैटरी भी. व्हाट इज़ द पॉजिटिव क्लैम्पर? पॉजिटिव क्लैम्पर इज मेड ऑफ कैपेसिटर, डायोड एंड रजिस्टर. इन पॉजिटिव क्लैम्पर, एज वी कैन सी, इनपुट हैविंग पीक टू पीक Vm and minus Vm. Output waveform having peak to peak 2Vm and 0. For any clamper, the peak to peak of input will be same as peak to peak of output. जो इनपुट का जो पीक टू पीक होगा वही किसका पीक टू पीक होगा? आउटपुट का. टोटल लेंथ हियर Vm minus Vm. टोटल लेंथ इज 2Vm. Similarly, 2Vm and 0. Total length is 2Vm. In negative clamper, direction of diode will be changed and it will shift the waveform in the downward direction. But peak to peak of input and output will be same, that is the 2Vm. But waveform is shifted towards the downward. Biased clamper, when we will add some battery to the diode, either positive negative or negative positive, then it will become the biased clamper. Now we will know how to solve these positive, negative or biased clamper circuit. Some points we have to keep it in the mind. The first one is, as the clamper is made of capacitor, the function of capacitor is to charge and discharge. But for the clamper, discharging time constant is made high. It means it will hold the charge for the next cycle. voltage across the cycle, voltage across the capacitor will be same in both the cycle. मीन्स जो फर्स्ट साइकिल में इसके ऊपर चार्ज है ड्यूरिंग द चार्जिंग टाइम, वही जो चार्ज है या फिर वोल्टेज है वो इसके अक्रॉस सेकेंड साइकिल में भी सेम रहेगा. स्टार्ट द न्यूमेरिकल इन द साइकिल इन विच डायोड इज फॉरवर्ड बाइज्ड. जिस साइकिल में डायोड फॉरवर्ड बाइज्ड है उससे न्यूमेरिकल स्टार्ट करेंगे सो दैट वी कैन फाइंड आउट द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस कैपेसिटर. उस साइकिल से न्यूमेरिकल को स्टार्ट करना है जिसमें डायोड क्या हो रहा हो, फॉरवर्ड बाइज्ड, एंड ड्यू टू द फॉरवर्ड बाइजिंग डायोड विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय द शॉर्ट सर्किट. देन वी कैन फाइंड आउट द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस कैपेसिटर. सेकेंड पॉइंट, peak to peak of output will be same as peak to peak of input. Clamper circuit never changes the shape of the waveform. It will only shift the waveform. जो क्लैम्पर सर्किट हैं उनमें आउटपुट का जो पीक टू पीक है वो इनपुट के सेम ही रहता है और वेवफॉर्म की जो शेप है उसमें भी कोई चेंज नहीं आता है. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द पॉजिटिव क्लैम्पर. एज वी कैन सी हियर, we have to start the numerical in which diode is forward biased. So we have to check in which cycle diode is forward biased. First we are considering the positive cycle. Now positive is connected to N. When positive is connected to N, diode is reverse biased. So we will start from the next cycle, that is the negative cycle, minus plus. Now we can check negative is connected to N. Negative is connected to N, so the diode is forward biased. When the diode is forward biased, we will replace the diode from the short circuit. Second point, whatever the sign of input, same sign will be across the capacitor. जो साइन इनपुट साइकिल का है फर्स्ट साइकिल में वही साइन किसका होगा, वोल्टेज अक्रॉस कैपेसिटर. यहाँ साइन है माइनस प्लस, सेम विल बी अक्रॉस द कैपेसिटर माइनस प्लस. नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द व्हाट इज द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द कैपेसिटर. डायोड इज फॉरवर्ड बाइज्ड सो इट इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय द शॉर्ट सर्किट. सेकेंड थिंग, at point 1 and at point 2 voltage is same. At 2 voltage is V out. At 1 this is the short circuit and voltage across the short circuit is 0. So voltage will also be 0. Now we will find out the voltage across capacitor. Apply the KVL. First we are entering at the positive terminal plus VI. Then negative terminal minus VC is equal to 0. VC is equal to VI. And what was VI? That is the 10 volt. First cycle, that was the negative, has been completed. Now we will consider the positive cycle. But voltage across the capacitor means magnitude and polarity will be same as it is in the previous one. जो पहले वाली साइकिल में वोल्टेज था वही सेकेंड साइकिल में रहेगा, मीन्स माइनस प्लस एंड वी सी. ड्यूरिंग द पॉजिटिव साइकिल साइन ऑफ द इनपुट विल बी फर्स्ट प्लस देन माइनस. ड्यूरिंग द नेगेटिव हाफ डायोड इज positive half, diode is reverse biased. Diode is reverse biased, so it will be replaced by the open circuit. There is no connection. Now we will apply the KVL. First one is minus Vi, then minus Vc, and then plus Vout is equal to 0. Vout is equal to Vi plus Vc. What was Vc? Vc is equal to Vi. So Vout is equal to 2 Vi and Vi is 10. 2 into 10, that is the 20. Now we have to draw the waveform. Input waveform, positive cycle, negative cycle, positive cycle, negative cycle. Okay, now for the output. First we will find out what is the voltage across in output voltage in the positive cycle. In positive cycle, the output is 20. That is the 20. In the negative half, output was 0, then 0. Again 20, then 0. Now we can check peak to peak of the input is 20. Peak to peak of output is 20. What is peak to peak? Means total length is 20. Here also 20 minus 0, total length is 0. Peak to peak voltage will be same. Now the second one is negative clamper. In negative clamper, the position of diode has been changed. Again, we have to start the numerical in which cycle diode is forward biased. We have to check. First, we will consider the positive cycle. During the positive cycle, when we are taking the sign plus minus, positive is connected to P. Positive is connected to P means diode is forward biased. So we will start the numerical with the positive cycle. Second thing, whatever the sign of input voltage, same sign will appear across the capacitor. Plus minus, here will also be plus minus. Third point, voltage across the capacitor in the first cycle will be same as the next cycle. Next cycle में जो भी voltage है वो किसकी तरह रहेगा, जो कि इसके previous cycle में voltage था. Now we will apply the KVL here, because during the positive cycle, positive is connected to P, diode is forward biased. Now it will be replaced by the short circuit. Diode is replaced by the short circuit. Sign of voltage across the capacitor will be sign of input voltage, plus minus plus minus. Now apply the KVL. Minus VI plus VC is equal to 0. VC is equal to VI is equal to 10. Second thing, voltage at the node 2 is Vout. At the node 1, that is the short circuit, 0. Same voltage at 1 and 2 because both the branches are connected in parallel. So output voltage is 0. Same voltage Vout. Positive cycle is completed. Now come to the negative cycle. During the negative cycle, the sign of the input is minus plus, but the sign of voltage across the capacitor will be same as in previous one, plus minus. Here will be plus minus. Negative is connected to P, diode is reverse biased, it will be replaced by the open circuit. Now the circuit is open. Apply the KVL. Plus VI plus VC plus Vout is equal to 0. Vout is equal to minus VC minus VI. VC is equal to VI. So VI 2 VI. And what is VI? 10. So 2 into 10, that is the 20. Now we have to draw the waveform. During the positive half, output is 0. During the negative half, output was minus 20. So minus 20. Now we can check peak to peak of input is 20. Peak to peak of output is 20. It means output having peak to peak same as input peak to peak. Third one is biased clamper. Biased means having some battery, positive negative or negative positive. For solving the biased clamper, the rules will be or the procedure will be same as for the positive as it is in positive clamper or negative clamper. Means you have to start the numerical in which diode is forward biased. Second thing, voltage across the capacitor in first cycle will be same as in the next cycle. Third thing, peak to peak of input and peak to peak of output will be same. So start the numerical in which diode is forward biased. Diode, first we are considering the positive cycle. Positive is connected to P. Positive is connected to P, diode is forward biased. So the diode is replaced by the short circuit. Diode has been replaced by the short circuit. Here the output voltage will not be 0. This portion is the short circuit, but in this wire there is one battery plus minus 3. When we will apply the KVL in this loop, minus 3 plus Vout is equal to 0. Vout is equal to 3. Second, we have to find out the voltage across the capacitor. The sign of input is plus minus, so sign of VC is also plus minus. When we will apply the KVL here, minus VI plus VC plus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 3 is equal to 0. VC is equal to VI minus 3. What was VI in positive half? In positive half, the input is 10. 10 minus 3, VC is equal to 7 and Vout is equal to 3. During the negative half, sign across the capacitor will be same. Negative half input will be minus plus. But the sign across the capacitor will be plus minus because it will same as in the previous cycle. Plus minus, plus minus. During the negative half, negative is connected to P. Negative is connected to P. Diode is reverse bias. It will be the open circuit. Now apply the KVL. Plus VI plus VC plus Vout is equal to 0. Vout is equal to minus VI minus VC. And what was VI? VI was 10. So minus 10 minus 7. Total Vout is equal to minus 17 during the negative cycle. For the positive cycle, Vout was 3. Now we will draw the waveform. Input voltage is for the positive cycle 10, negative cycle minus 10. Output during the positive, that was the plus 3. Plus 3 means axis के ऊपर. Minus 17 means axis के नीचे. Minus 17. Now peak to peak of input is 20. Peak to peak of output is 20. Both have same peak to peak value. Next numerical on biased clamper is, here the position of diode as well as polarity of battery has been changed. Steps will be same. Start the numerical in which diode is forward biased. Negative is connected to N. Negative, if we are considering the negative cycle, then minus plus. Negative is connected to N. Diode is forward biased in the negative cycle. So we will start the numerical from the negative cycle. Voltage across the capacitor will be same as the input. Minus plus, here will be the minus plus. Polarity will be same. Diode will be short circuit. When we will apply the KVL for finding the output, then we will find minus 7 minus Vout is equal to 0. Vout is equal to minus 7. Second, we have to find out the value of voltage across capacitor. We will apply the KVL. Plus VI minus VC minus 7 is equal to 0. VI is equal to VC plus 7. We have to find out the VC, then VC is equal to VI minus 7. What is VI in the negative cycle? Minus 20. But we have already taken the sign, so we will take only the magnitude. 20 minus 7, 13. VC is 13, Vout is minus 7. During the positive cycle, the sign will be plus minus. When we will change the sign here, plus minus. Positive is connected to N. Diode is reverse biased, and in reverse biasing diode will be the open circuit. Now the diode is open circuit, but voltage, magnitude and polarity of the voltage across the capacitor will be same as in the previous one. Minus plus, minus plus. Apply the KVL in this loop. Minus Vi minus Vc plus Vout is equal to 0. Vout is equal to Vi plus Vc. What was Vi? Vi is 20. 20 plus 13, that is the 33. Now in positive cycle output is 33. In negative cycle output is minus 7. Now draw the waveform. Input is plus 20 minus 20. Plus 20 minus 20. Output for the positive cycle 33. पॉजिटिव प्लस 33 एक्सिस के ऊपर, माइनस 7 एक्सिस के नीचे, बिलो द एक्सिस. बट पीक टू पीक ऑफ इनपुट इज 40, पीक टू पीक ऑफ आउटपुट इज 40. बोथ हैव सेम पीक टू पीक वोल्टेज.